Okay, fáilte rás go ceacht trachas a cuaig, agus this is our quick reminder that if you stumbled across this randomly by some random search somehow, it's best if you start with lesson 1. So if you're in the video, there'll be a link at the top, go back to lesson 1, so they build in sequence. And the basic idea is that I introduce new stuff a little at a time. There'll be a lot of repetition as we practice our new Irish phrases in a range of different ways. I'll mix up the sentences a wee bit, but rather than listening and repeating exactly, I'll ask you to predict a slightly new, different form of the sentence, then pause the recording, just ever so briefly, say what you think the answer is, and then unpause and you'll hear my version of it. And then you can rewind and listen back or practice it again, do what you need to do. So I've stopped putting out those reminders, and it does work best if you actually physically stop the recording, say the answer out loud. And I know that some people are listening when you're driving, naughty. Okay, do what you gotta do, it's your life, right? It's fine. Whatever way you can fit your Irish lessons into your day best, whatever works for you, it's fine. But the intention is that you focus on this, you concentrate. You should be tired by the end of using like 10 or 12 minutes of this. Your brain should be pretty like, oh man, I hurt. And then you relax and come back and have another go the next day, or move on to the next lesson, whatever you feel ready for. Okay, where were we? Do you remember how to say, what are you doing? What are you doing? It's from many lessons ago. Okay? And we're going to introduce another new word immediately, anocht. Anocht is tonight. So how would you say, what are you doing tonight? Yeah. Anocht. Do you remember how to say, I will go? Yeah, rahime. So say, I will go to the pub. Good, rahime gajim pub. And in the last lesson, we introduced how to say firstly, or at first. Good, or dús. Well done. So say, I will go to the pub first. Rahime gajim pub or dús. And I will drink a couple of pints. Agus ólime couple of pinta. Ask again, what are you doing tonight? Anocht. Say, I will go to the cinema first, and then I will go to the pub. Rahime gaji an fictarlan or dús, agus an sin, rahime gaji an pub. Ask again, what are you doing tonight? Anocht. Say, I will go to the pub with Patrick first. Rahime gajim pub le padrig or dús. And then we will go to the cinema. Agus an sin, rahi mudge gaji and fictarlan. Did you get the mudge there? Yeah, we will go rahi mudge. Go mai. Right, now let's mix the question up a wee bit. Ask, what are you doing tomorrow? G'jé tatu yanu amarach? Go mai. And do you remember how to say, I don't know? Okay, say I don't know. Níl is agam. Níl a sagam. Níl a is agam, but it rushes together as nearly like one word. Níl a sagam. Go mai. Well done. Níl a sagam. I will go to the beach. Rahime gajin tra. And I will get. Do you remember how to say I will get? Yui may. Now we're going to say I will get ice cream, but I don't think we know ice cream. So it's Uachtar Rácha. Uachtar is cream and Rácha is frozen. So ice cream, there we go. Say ice cream. Uachtar Rácha. Say, I will get an ice cream. Yoi me uachtar rácha. Go mai. Say, I will go to the beach and I will get an ice cream. Rahi me Ceantair agus yoi me uachtar rácha. Well done. Ask again, what are you doing tonight? Gé tatu Janu a nacht. Say, I will go to the pub with Padraig at first. Yeah, rahi me gé an pub le Padraig or Dús. And we will get a couple of pints. Agus yoi mudge couple of pinta. And then we will go to the beach. Agus an sin rahi mudge gé Ceantair. And we will get an ice cream. Agus yoi mudge uachtar rácha. Okay, now a couple of lessons ago we learnt how to say I will stay, and the context was about going on holidays and saying I will stay in Ireland. Do you remember how to say that? Yeah, Fanny me in Mhúrn. Now, if I tell you that teach is house, I think there's a good chance you knew that already, right? How would you say I'll stay in the house? Fanny me sa teach. And bonus points if you remembered that sa is how to say in the. Say it again. I'll stay in the house. Fanny me sa teach. Ask again. What are you doing tonight? Gé tatu Janu a nacht. Say, I don't know. Níl is agam. I'll stay in the house. Fanny me sa teach. And I'll have a couple of pints. Agus bé couple of pinta agam. Now I ask, would you like to go to the pub? Or while yat, gol gajee and pub? Say, I would like. But why? That's great, so you've arranged to go out. Now, you're in the pub. Can you ask, would you like a pint of Guinness? Or while yat pint of Guinness? Say I would not. Níor why. But I'll drink a glass of whiskey. Ac ollie me glynne ishke ba? Please. Le de hull. Very good. I ask, would you like to go to the cinema? Or while yat gulgaji and fictorla? Say I wouldn't. Níor why. I'll stay in the pub. Fanny me sa fub. And I'll have another glass of whiskey. Do you remember how to say other? Yeah, ille. I'll have another glass of whiskey. Agus bé glynne ille ishke ba agam. Now here's an important wee phrase. Bar liom. Bar liom means I would prefer. Okay? How do you say I'd prefer? Bar liom. How do you say I would prefer Guinness? Bar liom Guinness. How do you say I would prefer milk? Bar liom Banya. I'd prefer a cup of tea. Bar liom cup and tea, please. Little hull. Well done. So, let's go back to the start. Ask, what are you doing tonight? Gé tatu Janu a nacht? Oh, I don't know. I'll stay in the house. Níl is agam. Fanny me sa teach. Ask, would you like to go to the pub? Or while yat gulgaji in pub? I would. But why? And I say, okay, Ceart go leor. We'll go to the pub first, and then we'll go to the cinema. Rahimud gji an pub or dus, agus an sin, rahimud gji an fictorlan. And I say, oh, I wouldn't like to go to the cinema. Oh, near while yum gul gji an fictorlan. I would prefer to go to the pub. Barlium, well done. Barlium gulgajian pub, and I will stay in the pub. Agus fanny me sa pub. Okay, now you're in the pub. Ask, would you like a pint of Guinness? Or while you pint of Guinness? Say, I would not, thank you. Níor way grumayagat. Now say, I would prefer whiskey. Barlium is gaba. I will drink whiskey first, and then I'll drink water. Ollie may is gaba or dus. Agus an sin. Ollie may ishka. Ask, would you like a glass of water? Or while yat glinja ishka? Say, I would not. I'd prefer a pint of water. Níor way. Barlium pinta ishka. Say please. Yeah, lid the hull. Okay, now I ask, what are you doing tomorrow? Do you tattoo yanu amarach? Say, I don't know. Níl is agam. I'll stay in the house, but I'd rather go to Belfast. Fanny me sa teach, ach barlium Gaelphobal farste. Because I would like to go to the cinema with Padraig. Mar bewailium Gaelgajian fictorlan le Padraig.